Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can customize touch gestures of your GPods. So first of all, you have to open this HHOGene application, then go for this three lines in the left upper corner and go for the touch control. Right now you can find control for the left and the right earbuds. You can find double tap, triple tap and also tap and hold. Let's switch, for example, from the tap and the hold. It's set up for the switch light on and off to, for example, noise cancellation. So click on it once and then just go back. Right now it's successfully changed. Then go back and right now close it, and you can basically use this gesture by tapping on this small cutout. It's the touch sensor. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.